Hello and welcome back to Analyst Sultan. In this video, we are diving into Facebook pixel tracking. First, we will learn how to set up browser side tracking step by step. Then we will move on the setting Facebook server side tracking to ensure you have a complete and effective tracking setup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. Let's get started. Hello and welcome to Analyst Sultan, where I help you master tracking and analytics. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to enable Shopify data layer and set up Facebook browser side tracking using Google Tag Manager. We will cover everything from installing the Facebook pixel to tracking key events like page view content, add to cart, checkout and purchase. By the end of this tutorial, you will be ready to optimize your ad campaigns with precise data insight. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you will never miss out on valuable tutorials like this one that's help you grow your business data driven strategies. In this video, we will learn these topics. Before diving in, let's quick understand what browser side tracking is and why it's important. Browser side tracking capture user interaction like page view, clicks and conversions directly from your browser and send this data to Facebook by the pixel. Benefits of Facebook browser side tracking: real-time data. You get immediate feedback on user actions to optimize campaign faster. Audience building helps in creating custom and lookalike audience for retargeting. Ad optimization improve ad delivery by providing Facebook with critical event data. Cost-effective setup, easier to implement compared to server-side tracking, making it ideal for small to medium business. While it's affected by ad blockers and privacy updates like iOS 14, browser side tracking remains a foundational setup for most business, starting with Facebook ads. Now we will learn what is the data layer and why it's so important. A data layer is like a container that stores data about your website and user actions such as viewing a product or completing a purchase. This data is passes tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel or TikTok ads for tracking and optimization. Without a properly configured data layer, your tracking might miss key event or send incomplete data. Ad platform like Facebook, TikTok might struggle to optimize campaign. You lose insight about user behavior, making it harder to improve your store's performance. By enabling the data layer, you ensure accurate structured data flow to all your marketing and analytics tools, making your tracking more reliable and actionable. Here's why this setup is a game changer. Better ad optimization. Platforms like Facebook and TikTok can use this data to serve better ad and improve ROI. Details analytics. You can track every setup of the customer journey from product view to checkout, reduce tracking errors. Structured data ensures your reports are accurate and actionable. Enable the data layer is a small but powerful step toward scaling your Shopify store effectively. Now let's set up it. Before starting Facebook browser side tagging, I need to enable website data layer. This is my website. If I click data layer checker extension, we will not find out any data layer here. So I need to first data layer enable. So go to my Shopify admin section. This is my Shopify admin section. Then click on settings. Now click on customer events. This is the Shopify sandbox system. Manage app and custom pixels that access customer events with enhanced privacy and security. This list only show app pixel that use the Shopify web pixel API. This support pixel integration. This is not Facebook pixel. Now I need to give a name here for pixel name. So I type this name data layer, then click add pixel. Here I need to paste my data layer code. So go back to my documentation. I need to copy this code. I already copy this code, then paste here. Now I need to change some things here. Now I need to change this GTM code. Go to my Google Tag Manager web container. This is my Google Tag Manager web container. I need to copy this code only GTM code. So copy this code, then go back to my Shopify admin section, then paste here this code. Now I need to change some things here. Everything is okay. Now I need to click here. Data collection does not qualify as a data sale. The pixel will collect data when this customer opt out their data being sold. So now click to save. Now I need to click connect. Now I need to go my website, then click again reload. If I click data layer checker, we will see our data layer is enabled. So now I need to set up Facebook browser side tracking. So go back to my Facebook event manager, then click on connect data source. Firstly, I need to create a pixel or dataset ID. So firstly, I need to select web, connect your website to share activity and accurate online, including view content, add to cart and participant. So click on next. Now I need to click create new dataset. Firstly, I need to give a name for this dataset and click on connect. Shows how to connect your website. I want to connect manually, so select this, then click next, then again click shows how to connect your website. I want to set up meta pixel, a small piece of code your website and send web activity, loading errors, connectivity issues and ad blocker, and browsers may sometimes prevent a pixel from sharing that activity. So click on next, then again click finished. Our dataset ID create done. Now I need to click dataset. This is my Facebook pixel dataset ID. This is the dataset ID. So now I need to change some settings. If I scroll down, now I need to click automatic website matching turn on. Now I need to change some things here from date of birth, turn off date of birth and gender. Now I want to create a Facebook page event. So go back to my Google Tag Manager, then click on new. Then find out Facebook pixel tag template. Here is no Facebook pixel tag template, so click on discover more tag types in the community template gallery. Now search here Facebook. This is the Facebook pixel tag template. Then click on add to workspace. Our Facebook tag template added on our workspace. So now I need to create this tag. So firstly need a pixel ID. So go back to my Facebook event manager, then copy dataset ID, then go back to Google Tag Manager, then again click on plus signs. I want to create a constant variables for Facebook pixel. So paste here, then give a name for these variables, then click save. Everything is okay. Now I need to create a triggers. So click on plus signs, then again click plus signs, then find out custom events. So what type of events need here? If I click our pixel helper, our Facebook pixel event is page underscore view. So copy this, then paste here, then give a name for these triggers, then click save. Again click save. This is the page view event, so give the name of page view event. Now I need to create view content event. So I need to send some event parameters like container is content names, content type, categories, contents, and currency and value. So firstly need to create a variables e-commerce dot items. It needs only variables. If I click any product, which variable need to create here? So click on here, then again click view items, then again click e-commerce. I need to create this e-commerce, then items, copy commerce, then go back to my Google Tag Manager web content and then click on variables, then again click new, then find out data layer variable. First I need to paste e-commerce, then dot, then again go back to my website, then click on view items, then again click e-commerce, then again click here, need to index items, copy items. So paste here, then give a name for these variables, DLB items. So paste here, then click save. Now I will set up Facebook view content event. So again click on new, then find out Facebook pixel, then firstly need to pick pixel ID, meta pixel ID, then again click here event name is view items. So again click object properties. I need to send some object properties for this view content event tracking. So go back to my documentation. Firstly need to copy content IDs, then content name, then content types, then content categories, then contents, then currency and value. All of these parameters property name is Facebook recommended it. So firstly need to send content IDs. So click on plus signs, then again click plus signs, then find out custom JavaScript. So go back to my documentations, then firstly need to copy this code, then paste here. Now I need to change this part. So I already created variables, so select these variables, then copy this name, then paste here, then click save. Now I need to create content name, so again copy this, then go back to my Google Tag Manager web container, then select custom JavaScript. Now I need to change this part, then click this name, CJS items name, then click save. Now I need to select content type is product, so I will type this product, and content categories. So again go back to my documentation, then click copy this code, then again click plus signs, then find out custom JavaScript and paste here this code. Now I need to change this code, then go back to my documentation again, then copy this name, then click save. Now I need to send contents, then again click plus signs, then find out custom JavaScript, then again go back to my documentation, then copy this code. Be careful, here is item ID strings, quantity numbers, and item underscore price numbers, so be careful. Then need to change this part, items, then give a name for these variables, so paste here, then click save. Now I need to create currency variables. So firstly need to go to my website, then click on extension. If I click on view items, then again click on e-commerce, then again click here. Firstly need to pick e-commerce, then currency. So I already created a documentation here, so copy this, then again click plus sign, then again click and find out data layer variables, then paste here, then give a name for these variables, and then click save. Now I need to create value, so copy this again, then again go back to my Google Tag Manager web container, then click on plus signs, then find out data layer variables, so paste here, then give a our all of object properties create done. Now I need to create triggering, so click on plus signs, then find out custom events, then go back to my website, then click on extension, then click again view items. So our event is view underscore items, so I need to copy this for trigger, then go back to my Google Tag Manager web container, then paste here, then click on, then give a name for these triggers, then click save. Now I need to save our tag name, so again click here, our tag name is view content, then click save. Now I need to check it, our Facebook page view and view content tag is working or not working. I need to check it, then click on preview. Here we will see that Google tag is not found because our data layer is a sandbox data layer. So here Google Tag Manager preview is not working. So I need to go to my website, then click on home. If I click Google Tag Assistance, you will see that our page view event is working. Then if I click any product, if I click Meta Pixel Helper, we will see all of these informations like content category. Here is no content category, so no set. then content name, content types, contents, and currency, value, everything is here. So everything is working. Then go back to my Google Tag Manager web container. Now I want to set up Facebook add to cart event. So again click on Facebook pixel, then I need to set meta pixel ID, then click on add to cart, then find out object properties. I need to send sub object properties. So again go back to my documentations. Now I need to send content ID like as view content, then content name, content type, content category, contents, currency, and value. Now I need to select content IDs. I already created content IDs in the custom JavaScript variable. So now I need to select content name, already created items name, then content types. Content type is product. So type here. Then content categories. Content categories already created. Now I need to contents. So need to create a new extra variables for this add to cart contents, then find out custom JavaScript, then go back to my documentations. Now need to copy this code, then paste here, then I need to change this variable, then this is the DLB items, then give a name for this variable. So copy this variable's name, then paste here, then click save. I've already created all of these variables documentation. So if you need this documentation, please check on video description or comment sections, you will find this link. Now I need to select currency variables, DLB currency, then value. This is the value. Now I need to create a triggering, so click on plus signs, then find out custom JavaScript, then go back to my website, then I need to click any product, then click on add to cart. If I click our data layer checker plus, we'll see that add to cart event. So need to copy this add to cart, then go back to my Google Tag Manager web container, then give a name for these triggers, then click save. Now I need to save this tag, so paste this name, then click on save. Our Facebook pixel page view content and add to cart setup done. Now I need to set up Facebook checkout event. So again click on new, then find out Facebook pixel, then select on meta pixel ID, then select event name, initiate checkout. Where is initiate checkout? Then click on object properties. I need to send some object properties. Again go back to my documentations. Firstly need to copy content IDs, content names, content type, content category, contents, and currency, value, and number of items. So I already created content IDs variables, so select this, then content names already created, content names, then content types. Content type is product, then content categories already created, content categories, then contents, then I need to select contents, FB contents, not add to cart, then need to select currency. I already created currency variables, then select value, already created value. Now I need to create extra variables, number of items, then click on new, then find out custom JavaScript, then go back to my documentation, then copy this code, then paste here this code. Now I need to change this part, then need to change this value variables name, then click save. Now I need to create triggers, so click on plus signs, then find out custom event, then go back to my website, then click on checkout. Now click on data layer checker. This event is begin checkout, so copy this begin checkout, begin underscore checkout, then go back to my Google Tag Manager, then paste here, then paste again event name, then click save. Now I need to save this tag, so this is the begin checkout tag, then click save. Our Facebook pixel page view content, add to cart, and begin checkout setup done. Now I need to set another text for purchase, so select again Facebook pixel, then select meta pixel ID, then need to select purchase, then find out object properties. Now need to go back to my documentations, so I want to set a purchase event. So firstly I need to set up these content IDs, and paste here content IDs, content names, content types, content categories, contents, currency, value, another one is number of items, and order ID. So need to select content IDs. I already created content IDs, variables, then content name, then content type. Content type is product, then content category, then contents. Need to select every contents, then currency, already created currency variables, then values. This is the DLB's value. Then number of items, I already created number of items. This is the number of items. Then now need to select orders underscore ID, so paste here and go back to my website. Now I need to create a demo purchase, then fill up this demo informations, then click pay now. Now I need to click data layer checker, then click on purchase, then again click on e-commerce, then I need to click transaction ID, pick order ID. So first I need to pick e-commerce, then transaction ID. I already created documentations for this value. Then again click plus sign, then click on plus, then find out data layer variables, then paste here and give a name for these variables, then paste here, then click save. Now I need to create a triggers for purchase event, so find out custom events, then go back to my website, then click on data layer checker, then need to pick purchase, then paste here, then give a trigger names, then click save. I need to send some extra events, so here I need to click on enable advanced matching, then click on customers information data parameter, then I need to send some informations. So firstly need to send email. So where I find out email, if I click on data layer checker, then click again purchase, find out emails. So email is this the emails, so copy these emails, then go back to parameter section, parameter value sections, then I need to create it variables, data layer variables, so paste here, then give a name for this value, then another one is phone, then first name, sorry, last name, state, city, zip, and last one is country. So phone number need, so go back to my documentation again, then click this value, then again click plus signs, then find out data layer variable, then paste here, and give a name for this value, then click save. Pick first name, so first name is customer underscore first name. If I click our again data layers, then where is first name, customer underscore first name, plus signs, then again click plus signs, then find out data layer variable, then copy this, then paste here, then paste this name, then click save. Now I want to pick first last name, so again copy last name, then click again plus signs, then again click plus signs, again click data layer variables, then paste here, this is the last name, then click save. Now for state is this, copy this, then again click plus sign, then again click plus sign, then find out custom data layer variables, then again paste here, then give a name for this variables. Now I need to pick city, so again click plus sign, then find out data layer variables, then this is the city, so copy this city's value, then give a name for this variable, then click save. Now for zip code, so copy this zip code, then again click plus sign, then find out data layer variables, then paste here, then click save. So now I need to create for country, so again click on plus signs, then find out data layer variables, then go back to my documentation, then copy this, then paste here, then give a name for this variable, then click save. Our all of information create done, then I need to save this tag, this is the purchase, so I need to give a name for this purchase, then click save. Now I need to submit this tag, then again click publish, then continue, then again click on workspace. Now I need to go back to my website, then I need to complete a purchase, then click on add to cart, then view content, then checkout, and fill up all of these dummy informations, then click on pay now. Our purchase is complete. If I click on Meta Pixel helper, we will see all of these informations here, like product information, currency, everything is here. So our setup is perfectly okay. I need to check it on Facebook Event Manager. Facebook Event Manager, all of these informations sent up 30 minutes. So I need to wait for it. If I check on Facebook Event Manager, we will Hey there, entrepreneurs and digital marketers. Welcome back to Analyst Sultan, the ultimate channel for mastering tracking and analytics. Today, we are diving into something that can serious supercharge Shopify stores at performance. Facebook Pixel services tracking. There are hot on the menu. Why services tracking is the secret sauce post iOS 14 update. Backing down cookies versus Apple's privacy update. The game-changing difference between first-party and third-party cookies. The emerging benefits you get with server-side tagging, and the course is step-by-step setup guide it on Shopify. So if you are ready to outsmart ad blockers, conquer privacy challenge, and take your ads to the next level, hit that subscribe button right now and let's get started. Alright, let's quick things off with this simple truth. Services tracking is a game changer for anyone running ads on Shopify. Ad blocker, no problem. Services tracking bypass them completely, keeping your data intact. iOS 14 got you for it? No need. Services tracking optimize data loss caused by privacy update, data accuracy that counts. Forget those erroring discrepancies in event reporting. This ensure precision. When you are unlock services tracking, you are not just improving tracking, you are unlock a world of better reporting, sharper targeting, and next level audience building. Let's talk about cookies and privacy, two things that have shaken of digital advertising. Third-party cookies are on live support, blocked by browsers like Safari and Firefox Brave, making them unreliable. Apple iOS 14 updates have made things even trickier. If user opt out the tracking, your data gone. The good news, services tracking saves this day. By sending data directly from your Shopify store server to Facebook, you beat browser restrictions, get cleaner, more accurate data, stay fully compliant with privacy regulation. It's like having a secret weapon in your tracking arsenal. There's the deal. Not all cookies are created equal. Third-party cookies, this tag user across multiple sites, but they are blocked by most browser Apple privacy policy. First-party cookies, they are your best friend. They are created by your Shopify store and work seamlessly with server-side tracking. Result, you keep your tracking sharp while respecting user privacy. By switching to server-side tracking and first-party cookies, you are fully proofing your Shopify store ad strategy. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's talk about big wins you get with server-side tracking. Lesser focused data accuracy, no more lost event or massive bye-bye ad blocker. Your tracking runs smoothly no matter what blocker user install. Privacy first tracking, stay compliant with laws like GDPR, CCPA, and Apple's ATT with still connecting valuable data. Custom domain magic, using your own domain makes tracking more reliable and build trust with your customer. This setup is not just a technical upgrade, it's a game changer for better ad performance and ROI. Now we are set up Facebook services tracking with Google Tag Manager. So let's get started. Welcome back again. Previous video I will set up Facebook browser side tracking like Facebook Pixel page view, Facebook Pixel view content, Facebook Pixel add to cart, Facebook Pixel begin checkout, and Facebook Pixel purchase tracking. In this part I will set up Facebook server side tracking. So let's get started. Firstly I need to create a Google tag. So I need to click on here Google Analytics, then click on Google tag. I need a track ID. So firstly need to go Google Analytics. If you have already a Google Analytics 4 ID, you no need to create this process. So firstly need to give a property name. I want to set up Shopify server side tracking. So firstly need to give a name for this property, then select your reporting time zone, then currency, then click next. Then select this industry category. My industry's category is computer and electronics. Then business size required, must need to select anything medium, then click next. Shows your business objective, need to select here your business objective. My business objectives lead, sales, traffic, and user engagement and retention, then click on create. Now I need to select here web. I want to track web platform. So now I need to paste here my website URL. So go back again my Shopify store, then copy this website URL, then paste here, then remove this part, then give a name here. I will set up Shopify server side tracking. So I will give a stream name Shopify server side tracking. Then click on create and continue. Then again click on next. You will see here this setup process. I will use setup manually. So need to copy measurement ID. then go back again Google Tag Manager, then paste here Google Tag ID. So I will create a constant variable for tag ID. Again click on plus sign, then again click plus sign, then find out constant, then paste your measurement ID, then give a name for here, then click save. Now I need to send some configure parameters. So what type of parameter sent needed? Server says URL container. So I need to collect data from server. I will use step server. So again go back step server, then need to click create, then give a name for this container name. So I will paste a container name, server Shopify server side tagging, then need container configuration. This configuration is provide Google when you are settings up your tagging server. It's you really want, you can leave this blank to create a dummy container. Just don't forget add this real ID when you are ready. So I will paste here my container configurations later. So I will click on create. I want to use free plan. So select this free plan, then click on continue with free plan. Then here back to server GTM container. Now I need to copy this server URL. Then I need to send server URL container URL, then paste here server URL. Now I need to send some extra parameter. Then first here send page view is false. I want to set up manually page view. Then another one is first party collection is true, type here true. Then another one is page locations. Then if I go to our Shopify store, then click on our extension data layer checker, then need to send this type of event like page locations. So need to copy this. Now again click on plus sign and again click plus signs. I need to create a data layer variable. So find out data layer variables, then paste here, then give a name here, then click on save. Now another one is page referral. Paste here, then again click on plus sign, then again click plus signs, then find out data layer variable, then paste here paste referral, then give a name here. While I find out paste referral, again back to your Shopify store, then click again extension, then click on page view. These are page referral, so need to select, then click on save. Now another one is page title. Copy again, then paste here, then again click on plus sign, then find out data layer variable. Again go back your Shopify store, then again click on extension data layer checker plus, then again click on page view. Now another one is page title. So copy this page title, then again go back, then paste here, then give a name this variable, then click on save. Our Google Tag configuration setup almost done. I need to change this all pages, then click on save, and I need to give a name Google Tag configuration for Shopify server side, then click on save. Now I need to set up Shopify server side page view tagging. So again click on plus sign, then again click here, then find out Google Analytics GA4 event. Now I need a measurement ID. So I already create a measurement ID constant variable. Then need to select event name. Event name is page view. So copy this, then paste here. Then need to send some extra page event. So I need to send this event. So what type of event need? Firstly I need event name. Event name is page view. So copy again event name, then paste here. Then another one is event ID. Event ID XFBP, and another one is XFBC. These are cookies. Then page locations, page referrer, page title, then another one is event time, and another one is first party collections. So paste here. Now I need to select event ID. So again click on plus sign, again click again plus sign. I need to find out event ID. Here is no event ID. So again click on discover more variable types in community template gallery. Then search here event. These are event ID, so need to add to workspace. So again click close, then again click on plus sign, then again click here, then select event ID, then click save. Our event ID added. Now I need to create a data layer variables. So again click on plus sign, then again click plus sign, then find out first party cookie. This cookie is FBP, so copy again FBP, then paste here, then give a name for these variables. So click on save. Another one is FBC, so again click on plus sign, then find out first party cookie. Then these are FBC. So give a name for this variable. Now these are page location. I already created page locations data layer variables. So page location, then another one is page referral, another one is page title. Now event time, so again click on plus sign, then again click plus sign, then find out custom JavaScript. I need to copy this code, then paste here, then give a name for this variable, then click save. Now another one is first party collections. First party collection is always true. Now I need two triggerings. Triggerings is all pages, then click save. These are Shopify services taking page view, then click on save. Now I will set up Facebook server conversion API services taking view item event. So again click on new, then need to select Google Analytics GA4 event, then another one is measurement ID, then event name is view item, so copy again view underscore items, so paste here, then need to send some event parameters. I already created some extra event parameters. So firstly need event name. Event name is view item, view underscore item. Another one is event ID. Event ID already created, so I will select this event ID. These are event ID, then clicks. Sorry, event ID already selected. So while I find out event ID, these are event ID. Then another one is FBP cookie and FBC cookie. I already created variables or for FBP cookie. So need to select FBP cookie, and another one is FBC cookie. I need to select FBC cookie. Now I need to send event time. Event time already variable create done. So I will select this event time. Then another one is first party collections. First party collection is always true. So type this true. Then another one is a content IDs, contents name, content type. Content type is product. So I will type here product. So content category. Another one is value and currency and items. Value, currency, and another one is items. So firstly, I will add product ID, content IDs. So again, click on plus sign. Then these are content IDs. So if I check this variable, so again click on here. These are created already browser side tagging, Facebook browser side tagging. So I will select this. Then another one is content name. Content name already created. These are item name. This code are here. So I will select this code. Then another one is category. A category already created for Facebook browser site tagging. So I will select this content category. These are content category. Then these are value. So again click on plus sign. Then again click plus sign. Find out data layer variables. If I go to my website, then click any product. If I click again our extensions, then click on view item. Then again click on e-commerce. I will find out. Firstly need to copy e-commerce, then value. So I already created documentations for this all of these variables. So firstly need to paste e-commerce, then value, then give a name. I already created this variable for Facebook browser site tagging. These are. And another one is currency already created for Facebook browser site tagging. These are currency. Then another one is items. I need to create these variables, custom JavaScript. Then go back to my documentations, then copy this code, then paste here. Then since this part, these are TLB items. Then paste here this name. Then click, sorry, I need to remove this bracket and then click on save. Our all of this event parameter create done. Now I need to select trigger. Trigger is view underscore item. So again click on view underscore item. Then click on save. These are for view items. So I will try view items and click on save. Now another one is add to cart. So I will copy these view items for add to cart. Copy this. Then change this tag name. These are for add to cart. So type add to cart. Now I need to change this event name and these are. So again go back to my documentations. Then copy this event name. Add underscore to underscore cart. Then I need to change this triggerings. Triggerings is add to cart trigger. Everything is okay. Then click on save. Now I will set up Facebook begin checkout for server side tagging. So I will copy add to cart. Then remove this part. Then give a name here. Then remove this part event name. Begin underscore checkout. Then paste here and here. Need to change anything, so I will go back to my documentation. So I need to add this. So again go back to my Google Tag Manager, then paste here, then again click on plus sign. I already created this number of items for Facebook browser site tagging. These are total quantity already created. So I need to change this triggering. Triggering is begin underscore checkout, then click on save. Now I need to set up Shopify Facebook server side tagging purchase event. So again copy begin checkout event. Then remove this part. Then give a name. These are purchase. Then need to change event name. Event name is purchase. So paste here. And event name event underscore name purchase. Now I need to send some extra event. What type of event needed? These are number of items already created. These are. So paste here. Then another one is phone number. First name. Last name. city, region, postal code, and country. Page location, page referral, and page title already added, so no need to add this. Oh, sorry, these are not added, so I need to add this. Must need to edit this. Page locations, page referrer, page title. So firstly need to user email address. So again click here. I already created for email. Then another one is phone. I already created for phone numbers. So another one is first name. I already created for first name for Facebook browser search taking. These are here. You will need to firstly need to customer, then underscore phone number, then customer underscore first name and customer underscore last name. So now I will select for first name. I already added this for Facebook browser search tagging. These are first name, another one is last name, then city. These are city, customer city, and region. These are state. Then another one is postcode. Postcode already added. Postcode means customer zip code. This documentation, all of this event value is here. If you need this documentation, please comment or message on our WhatsApp. So another one is country. Now I need to add page locations. Page locations I already created page referrer and page title. Now I need to change these triggerings. These are purchase events, so I will select purchase. These are purchase, then click save. Now I need to edit page location, page referral, and page title for Facebook begin checkout server side tracking. So again copy page location, another one is page referrer, and another one is page title. Then click save. Now I need to do these same items for Facebook add to cart. These are page title, page referral, page location. So firstly I will add page location, then page referral, and another one is page title. Then click save. View item, need to edit this. These are page location, page referral, then page title. Then click save. Our Facebook page view item, add to cart, begin checkout, and purchase event already create done. Now I need to add Facebook browser site tagging event ID. So firstly need to click page view. Then again click on advanced settings. More settings. Then need to click on plus sign. Then select event ID. Set this event ID parameter in case you are tagging the same event server side as well. The event ID can use deduplicate the same event if you send from multiple sources. So again click on save. Then click on view content. Then click on more settings. Then again click on plus sign and select event ID. Then click save. Then again click on add to cart and click on more settings. Then click on plus sign. Then select event ID. Then need to click on purchase. Click on more settings. Then again click on plus sign. Then select event ID. Then click save. Now I need to create a server container. Then again click on admin. Then again click here. Then type a server container name. Our server container name is Shopify server side tracking. Then need to select server. Then click on create. Then automatically provision tagging server. Use this tagging flow. You provision a server on Google Cloud platform. I want to use another platform like Step. So copy this container tag. Then again go back Step server. Then click on edit. Then paste here your container configuration. Then click on save. Now copy this server domain. Then again go back Google Tag Manager server container. Then click on admin. Then click on container settings. Then click on add URL. Then paste this server URL. Then click on save. Then click on again workspace. Then click again tag. Then click new. Now I need a conversion API tag. So here is no conversion API tag. So click on discover more tag types in community template gallery. Then search here Facebook. These are conversion API tag. So click on add to workspace. Then click on add. Need a conversion Facebook pixel ID API access token test event code. So firstly need to copy, go back our event manager. This our Facebook dataset ID. So copy this, then paste here. Then I can go back to event manager, then scroll down. Then click generate access token and copy this access token, then paste here. Then need a test event. Click on test event. Then copy this test event, then paste here. Then here extended Meta pixel cookies FBP and FBC, click check mark and enable enhance event enhancement. Then need to triggerings. So click on plus sign. Then click custom events. Then sums. Then need to events. Then mesh rejects. Then go back to my documentations and scroll down. Then copy this. Then paste here. Then custom triggers for Facebook server side. Custom triggers for Shopify server side tracking. Then click save. Our setup is almost done. Now I need to check it. This is our Shopify browser side tracking and this is server container. Then again click on submit. Then need to these are submitted. Now I need to click on workspace. Then again click on preview. Then again click on browser site, then click again preview. Then paste here your Shopify store URL. Then click connect. You already know that our data layer is a sandbox data layer, so GTM preview is not allowed. So I will check it on our browser and Facebook Event Manager. Then click any product, click on add to cart. If I check here, you will see that our event view content, page view, and add to cart event is here. Then again click on view cart, then click on checkout, then fill up this details, then here cart payment details, then click on pay now. If I click on metapixel helper, you will see that our event is everything is okay. Our category is not set, so here is not set. If I click on event manager, you will see that our Facebook page the event is fired, and add to cart, view content, checkout, and purchase event is here. All of this event deduplicated, need to time 30 minutes. And there you have it, Facebook services tracking for your Shopify store. With this setup, you will enjoy higher data accuracy, better ad performance, full compliance with privacy loss. If this tutorial helped you, don't keep it yourself. Like, share, and subscribe to Analyst Sultan for more powerful insight. Got questions? Drop them in the comment or reach out with WhatsApp or LinkedIn. All the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Let's craft it together.